Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And in this video, it's a very important video if you're looking to invest and you're looking to relocate to Kenya. This is actually a very important video for you. And coming this September, the end of September, we'll be having a investment diaspora conference with the Diamond Trust Bank. And I am just here touring the facility at the moment, family. And I hope you guys, mark this and pin this in your calendar. You don't want to miss this event if you're looking to invest in Kenya. We have so much, persons on board that will actually help you actually get settled with a lot of stuff. We have persons from the immigration services. We have persons from, very important sector in Kenya that would actually help you to grow your business and help you to actually run a functional business here in Kenya. The bank is actually behind this. And as you know, the bank is behind this. The money is behind this and behind you. So you want to be a part of this event. I am just here with my partners actually touring this thing right now. And I want you guys to actually, come on board on this and actually, look out for this event. This event will be an event where, you have to register to be a part of it. And we're looking forward to have everyone who is a foreigner here in Kenya a part of this event. So, I'm here touring the facility of the Diamond Trust Bank. It will be at headquarters in Mombasa Road. That's where the conference will be. And we're looking for you to come out at this event. Branja Reggae Bistro will be the one actually serving the food. We're hoping to get a few, entertainer like, maybe Nicky Z will be actually playing a few Jamaican conscious music. We have Ami, we have Kia, I have my attorney who actually help with, a lot of immigration and business registration and stuff will be actually a part of this. We want to get, it's like an ecosystem we're actually creating right now for you. So when you actually come to Kenya, everything is under one roof for you, and you can actually just tap into the system and get a full, chance to actually, settle in Kenya. So, we are here and we are touring. It's a cool place to have everything. I want you to continue watching this video, like, share, and comment, and tell a friend to tell a friend that this September, there will be this conference in Kenya, first ever conference. Diamond Trust is the only one doing this for foreigners. We have a diaspora department. This is a diaspora link-up family. I want you guys to be a part of it. So if you're watching this, go click the link, go register, and link up with Jam Tours and let Jam Tours know that you want to.
So we can have virtual speakers.
Yes, you can have virtual speakers.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah.
I thought it was only outside there, but
This is the main event.
this is the main event. This is nice. Yeah, this is nice. Yeah.
No, I think. See, my thing is I'd rather have high quality than numbers.
Yeah.
Even if it's 50, but good. Yes, exactly. So this is fine. I mean, I'm sure we're going to have a lot of interest. We could easily fill this room. Yeah. But maybe this is where we have to think about registration. Like
Yeah, so we know the numbers.
limited.
Yeah.
Should we say limited capacity?
Yes.
Yeah.
So 120 would be the limit, right?
140.
120 because you'll have staff, you'll have whatever, so yeah. And 20, 100 is sure, 20 will definitely on the day. Yeah, can't even 100. You never get 100%. Of it. 20, but they're offered on 40. So that 115, 110 can show up.
Yeah, there's also the optics of having a room. Nice.
It's all Caribbean stuff.
Yes. Local Caribbean. Jamaican bracelets and
Yeah, family. So, I just want to let you guys know that this event, you really don't want to miss this event. If you're serious about investing in Kenya, you don't want to miss this event. This event is for like millionaires and billionaires who are looking to invest in Kenya. I'm looking to come back. We're gonna got people from immigration, people from, from all the business sector in Kenya at this event. So this event is gonna be a blast, family. So if you're looking to come into Kenya to get set up and looking to actually, relocate to Kenya, then this is the event for you, family. We're at Diamond Trust Bank headquarters, and we're touring now to.
So we've opened up, then we can just do setups for the exhibitors. We'll just clear the room.
Okay.
Okay.
If there are too many people, we can use both rooms because this again opens up.
Yeah.
So we can also have a
Please don't do that. Just don't be walking through the elephant. Second floor.
Yeah, family. So as I was saying to you, we're at Diamond Trust headquarters in Nairobi, Kenya, which we're gonna have a diaspora event, family. That's Diamond Trust is the only bank I think that has a diaspora department that cater to you. When you go to foreign countries, you have problem getting bank accounts and getting set up, and most people get turned off, not able to get a bank account, to get started. For most banks, you have to have like a permit and stuff. So, with Diamond Trust, they actually made it easy. So, Jam Tours is here, and we're going to put on this event for you to help you.
So I met Kenya's most magician. He's very good.
Magician.
Yeah, he's very good at engaging people.
Okay, so this is the.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, so if it's podcasts, we can do them.
Okay.
And then you see, we can have the different brandings. So this
Oh,
collateral
wow.
we'll have to make, but
Mhm.
it works very well.
Oh, wow. Fully equipped.
Andrew is one who does all our post production.
Mhm.
So
Nice.
he's gonna be very instrumental in running this.
Wow.
Yeah. So this significantly also makes the cost a bit lower.
Yeah.
No, definitely. I think this is
This is perfect. So.
no-brainer.
Mhm, yeah. So when we have like influential people who come to the event, we can just drop them here for a short interview and
Yes.
stuff
Yes.
like that. It's perfect. It's perfect. It's perfect. Yeah. Yeah.
Or in between the
Or in between the event.
Yeah.
This is right here.
Yeah.
This is nice.
Quickly come.
So we're gonna cut the event at 1:40.
140. Okay.
Then there's a question of commitment. If people. So
Do you want to charge a small fee or something?
That's what I'm saying. Sometimes we do a small fee.
Yeah, so people can know it's important.
Yeah, because once you pay, you register, you gotta go.
Yeah, you come, yeah.
So I'm still debating whether we should do that.
Yeah, we should do that because that will cover like, finger foods or whatever it is you're serving and whatever.
Yeah.
So we can put that and let them know that when you come, you get lunch or whatever it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The idea is not to make it expensive, but just have that barrier there so that we don't get 1,000 emails and then.
Yeah.
Five people show up.
Exactly. All right.
Perfect.
I'll talk to our web team so they can integrate something like that. Okay. Good.
Yeah, family. So I'm back from the meeting with Diamond Trust Bank family, and I just want to let you guys know that this event is gonna be a blast. Diaspora investment, conference. We're looking to do it at the end of September. We've been planning. Yeah, family. So I just want to let you guys know that if you're thinking about coming to Kenya, you're watching this video, and you'll be in Kenya at that time. You don't want to miss this event. It's gonna be an invite, and we're gonna actually send out some invitation for you to register and stuff like that for you to actually be a part of this event. But if you come into Kenya, relocate into Kenya, this event, you don't want to miss it, family. So, you know what I mean, you already see the setup and everything. Diamond just got us, and you know what I mean, they're the only one who doing this and willing to do this for you. So you make sure you show up and get the information, because you know, when you're moving to another country, you know, it's not easy to get settled and get functional, where you have you know, I mean, cash flow, and you get a chance to set up. Because you know, when something you go to another country, you end up have to go back home, because there's no system in place. There's no immigration system. There's no banking system for you to actually set up your business and stuff like that. So Diamond Trust want to make that possible for you. So we look in this conference, you know what I mean, it's for people who want to just come and retire, for people who just want to come and you know, do big business, you know, big multinational companies who want to come to Kenya and do their thing. You know, this event is targeting that type of people, family, and Jam Tours is a part of this. We want to encourage, and we want to get a lot of persons who have some services to offer to diaspora people on board at this event. As you know, Brand Jam Reggae Bistro will be providing the food. So if you never taste Jamaican food, our sister Nikki Z will be there too. Also, we have so when you come off this event, you're gonna feel the Caribbean, you know, the Caribbean culture right there. Our brother from Antigua, Ami. You know what I mean? So there's a lot of things that we're putting together for this event, that you're not only going to get information, but you will be entertained, family. So, you know what I mean? As you guys see, I show you, they give us a full tour of the conference room, and they're willing to do a lot of stuff for you. You know, so they have a Diaspora department directly for you. And you know, we want to plug in with this information. So this event, you really want to be there, and we're gonna actually put everything together this week to next week. Something will be out for you to register and show up for this event, family. So this is Jam Tours Africa. We're signing out. One love, Bless, Jamaica. I'm out.